When we stay at home these days, we have different cravings for different foods. So I thought of doing something sweet with lots of things in it, and this has very less oil too. So this is a carrot and pineapple cake with walnuts. For this recipe I am using 1 cup of self-raising flour. If you are using plain flour, add 2 teaspoons of baking powder with a pinch of salt. And I am using only half a cup of sugar. You can add more sugar if you like sweetness. And 60 milliliters of milk. Into that I added 1 tablespoon vinegar to make buttermilk. And 3/4 cup of desiccated coconut. 65 milliliters vegetable oil, canola oil. It should be a light oil or light olive oil. 2 eggs and 2 cups pineapples. These pineapples have less water, so when you get the pineapple, make sure it's not really watery. If you are using the canned pineapple, you can always drain the excess water out. And a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 2 cups of shredded carrot, and 1 cup of walnuts. You can add any other nut available in your pantry, and half a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 eggs. So let's start doing this. You don't need to overmix anything in this recipe. Add the eggs into a mixing bowl, and then the buttermilk. As you can see, it has curdled when you add vinegar into the milk. Then the oil. Now add the vanilla. Half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, then the coconut, sugar, and the flour. Teaspoon of cinnamon, and mix. And when you mix, make sure that you mix on a medium speed. Once you mix everything together, add the walnuts and the carrots and mix again. And once it is ready, take the whisk out, and into the mixing bowl add the pineapple. I'm using fresh pineapple here, and mix everything together. Don't use the whisk to mix the pineapple, so it will be very watery. I already prepped this Pyrex dish with a baking paper. This is 12 by 8 inch pan. You can use a long pan for this, as this is going to be a sheet cake. So press and spread it evenly. So this goes to the preheated oven, 180 Celsius, about 45 minutes to 1 hour, or until a skewer inserted comes out clean. I finished baking the cake, and this is how it is. It's really soft, moist cake. So let's take it out. It's a really soft and a moist cake that you can serve with tea or coffee, or as a dessert with some custard or some cream or ice cream. Hope you will enjoy. See you next time.